Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The highly anticipated 2026 Kenworth Super Class Motorhome, which is carefully designed on the basis of sturdy commercial-grade trucking architecture, is the pinnacle of luxury on land and mobile living. This imagined car goes beyond what is typically thought of as a recreational vehicle, representing an opulent home that can travel across continents in unmatched comfort and independence. The 2026 Kenworth Super Class Motorhome's exterior profile is anticipated to draw notice because to its enormous size and finely detailed design. Custom motorhome bodywork will probably demonstrate a smooth combination of power and style, while maintaining the inherent strength and aerodynamic concerns of a Kenworth heavy-duty chassis. Anticipate flowing lines, large panoramic windows that provide unhindered views, and carefully considered outside features like power awnings, slide-out room extensions that significantly expand the amount of living space inside, and plenty of neatly arranged storage spaces for long trips. The vehicle's impressive size and elegant design will probably be highlighted by sophisticated lighting systems, both practical and aesthetically pleasing. A powertrain designed for unwavering performance and dependability sits beneath this elegant appearance. In order to easily manage its significant bulk and traverse a variety of terrains, the 2026 Kenworth Super Class Motorhome is anticipated to be outfitted with a high-displacement diesel engine that produces a significant amount of torque and horsepower. The inherent difficulties of running a car of this size will be lessened by a very smooth and controlled driving experience provided by a superior air suspension system and cutting-edge braking technology. For the discriminating owner, cutting-edge driver assistance technologies like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and collision prevention will further improve safety and usability. The interior of the 2026 Kenworth Super Class Motorhome will rival the amenities of the best homes on land, creating a haven of custom luxury. Anticipate expertly chosen decor that reflects an aesthetic of subtle elegance, handcrafted cabinetry made from quality hardwoods, and soft leather upholstery embellishing roomy seating arrangements. The living spaces will be large and may include separate sections for formal dining, entertainment, and rest. Gourmet kitchens will satisfy the gastronomic desires of long trips thanks to its solid surface counters, professional-grade appliances, and large storage. A spa-like sanctuary will be created by lavishly furnished bathrooms with residential-style fixtures and finishes. A key component of the 2026 Kenworth Super Class Motorhome will be technological integration. Anticipate a complete smart home system with user-friendly interfaces that handle the lighting, climate, entertainment, and security functions. Regardless of location, smooth integration with the modern world will be ensured via high-speed internet connectivity, sophisticated entertainment centers, and smart navigation systems with real-time traffic updates. Additionally, a strong power management system with a large battery capacity, integrated solar panels, and a strong generator will offer longer off-grid capabilities, fostering an independent attitude of exploration. To sum up, the 2026 Kenworth Super Class Motorhome is a revolutionary change in the premium recreational vehicle market. It is a mobile masterpiece that skillfully combines an interior environment of unmatched luxury and technological sophistication with the tough dependability of a Kenworth chassis. This car is made for people who want the utmost in comfort, functionality, and independence. It provides an amazing way to travel the world without sacrificing the best comforts of home. Without a question, its introduction will raise the bar for the superclass motorhome market.